Hey everybody, welcome back to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew, and today we're going to be discussing changing the transfer roller kit on a Xerox Versalink b610 printer. You're going to open the back cover. You're going to locate the BTR or the transfer roller. There's two little orange handles and there's two black handles in front of it that you'll squeeze with your four fingers and your thumbs. Squeeze them, pull straight out, and there's your transfer roller. Now to go back in, things to note: you have a silver contact, electrical contact right there, and a silver electrical contact right there. Where it goes, you'll see a silver contact spring right there and right there. You'll set it back in its cavity, give it a good push on both sides so that it clicks in place, and then you'll close the rear door and you're done. Hey guys, if you want to see more great how-to videos on this same model, click here. From all of us here at the Printing Workshop, we'd like to say thank you to our viewers. And if you'd like to see more of our content, please subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure and hit that like button.